my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Nothing beats a nice fresh homemade pizza. I've been making it from scratch for a long time now and have several recipes on our website. Here's another one. Pepperoni Pizza. Either using my easy cheesy herb pizza dough or rustic Italian, this pie is incredibly flavorful. With fresh ingredients, this is a recipe you'll want to make soon. So let's get cooking. This recipe is for 2 pizzas, and I'm using my easy cheesy herb pizza dough, but rustic Italian is another great choice. Alright, so we'll spoon on half a can of pizza sauce per pie and spread it out evenly, leaving about an inch around the edges. Then we'll divide the 3 cups of mozzarella cheese between the 2 crusts. Grating that cheese is not obvious, but there's a way of doing it, so click on the top right corner of your screen to find out. Next, we'll sprinkle on some of my Italian seasoning before adding the thinly sliced onions, roughly 20 on each, and the same with red peppers and poblano peppers, although you can use green peppers instead. We'll now add the mushrooms, thinly sliced as well, followed by the pepperoni, which you can find in a bag pre-sliced at your supermarket. We'll also add sliced black olives, a little bit of red pepper flakes. I use 1/8 of a teaspoon per pizza. And finally, sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella again, but it might be a little bland. We'll transfer our pizza to a 500-degree preheated oven and bake for 13 minutes. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing and serving. My friends, this is our pepperoni pizza. This popular pie has several added ingredients in it compared to ones you might be used to. It's an elevated version of the classic. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!